Let's show you how to replace the Flic battery so you can get your Flic button back up and running. First, you'll need to shop for the replacement batteries for your Flic button. The original Flic button version will need the CR2016 3-volt battery. For the Flic second version button, you'll need the CR2032 3-volt coin battery. Links for both batteries can be found in the description below. Turn your button over and take a look at the back. You may have a sticky back, a clip, or the button might be fastened to a wall. This is the important part because you might not feel like you can access the button. You might think you need to pry it open, but that's not the case. If the button is not fastened against the wall, then use your thumbs and twist the backing in the counterclockwise direction. If it's fastened to the wall, just twist the button counterclockwise to take it off the wall. The battery might fall straight out, which is normal. The third step. Replace the battery with either the CR2016 or the 2032 coin battery with the number or marking of the battery facing out towards you. Now the fourth step. To put the backing back on, take a look at the tabs on the backing. Ensure that you place the tabs into the slots provided in the button. Then twist clockwise to ensure a proper fit. Otherwise, you're going to break the tabs and it's no more flicking for you. Turn the button over and give it a flick. For the Flic 1, or the first button, you'll see a red glow. For the Flic second version, you'll see a green light at the 12 o'clock position. Please watch the next video on how to replace the Philips Hue battery.